back to another video, and Happy New Year to everyone. I'm sharing Madam Glam's new collection for 2022. This was released today, January 1st, and it is called the Windy Layover collection. It's about a restless race of travelers' hearts before a journey begins. This collection consists of 10 cream gels, so I'm going to start right away showing you swatches and doing a nail design with these. This is the set of nails I'll be sharing with you after I show you all of the swatches in this collection. You'll see the milky, glittery nails that I've done on this set. I did have a video previously and people wanted to know how I did them, so I wanted to recreate them for you because that video I had to take off of YouTube. I had a lot of issues, not sure why, but anyways, this will be the set that we'll be working on today. So the first color I'm starting with is this really deep teal color, and this one is called Winter Teal. Now each color I will be showing you, I will not swatch it in front of you, but I'll let you know they are very pigmented colors. You could get away with one coat with most of them. I did two just to deepen that color so you can see the true color of all of them, and these colors are perfect for fall, winter, spring. You could use them all year round. They are beautiful colors. You'll see that as I show you the swatches. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch now and see all of the 10 colors, and stick around after to see that nail design and how I created that set. So this collection was just a beautiful combination of very pigmented deep colors in a variety of colors. I love this collection. So I'm going to get started with that nail design right away. To start off doing this set of nails on myself, I chose this deep green. It's called Oh Happy Day. I'm normally not a fan of green, but the greens that Madame Glam has come out with this year, I'm absolutely loving. It's so deep and it's just the perfect dark green. So I wanted to use it. It just caught my eye. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this color on 3 of my nails, and you can just see when I apply 1 coat the coverage. It's very pigmented, very opaque color. And when I get that done, then we'll be moving on to those glitter ombre milky nails that everybody wanted to know how I did. So I'm just going over the nails with a second coat. I'll just show you the pinky. So now I'm pulling out my Madame Glam Velvet Matte top coat. Now normally when I'm doing a client's nails, I top coat everything at the end, but sometimes I'll do mine ahead of time, like the ones that are complete, just so I don't get any glitter or anything on them. And I'm just adding a little bit to the apex area. I felt it was a little flat looking. That's the nice thing about Madame Glam top coats. So you can do that. I have no issues with it running to the sidewalls. So I'm going to grab a glitter gel polish from Madame Glam. This is called the Vanilla. This was in their anniversary birthday collection a couple of years ago. It's a really beautiful gold glitter, almost a champagne color. So I'm going to take one of my detail brushes and I'm going to add it up by the cuticle. And I'm only going to put it maybe quarter of the way down, and I will ombre it slightly when I do that. So I'll just let you watch me do that and I'll be back for the next step. So I'm done with that glitter gel polish. I'm not going to cure it, and I'm going to grab Chunky Champagne Loose Glitter from Glitter Mix Canada. It's a beautiful champagne glitter in different chunky sizes, and I'm just going to grab my Madam Glam top coat because I need to be able to pick that chunky glitter up with my detail brush. So I'm just going to add it on top of that uncured glitter gel polish until I'm happy, and I will try and ombre it slightly. So I will put some smaller pieces of the chunky glitter down a little bit lower. So I like the way it looks, so I'm going to cure it now for 30 seconds. And now I'm just going to show you the other nail, the same process again. So I'll just let you watch me do that. So now I need to cover up that loose glitter because it is chunkier and I don't want to feel it. So I'm taking Pure Serenity. It's a clear builder in a bottle from Madam Glam. So I'm just going to cover that area up, and I don't want too much, but yet I do want to not be able to feel that chunky glitter. So I will cover it, and then it will cure for 60 seconds before I move on to the next step. Oh yes, and before I do cure it, I take a detail brush and I just thin it out by the cuticle. I don't want to have that lip. I want a smooth transition to the cuticle, so I'll do that and then it'll go in the light. So to start with, to get the milk bath look, I'm taking Madam Glam's Builder White. Now this builder is a nice pretty sheer white, so it's going to be perfect for getting that milky look that I'm going for. It won't be the only white I'm using, but it's going to be the base. Now when I start applying this builder to the nail, I do a slip layer, and once I have that on, I'm going to start applying it, a dollop of it, and floating it over the whole nail down to the tip. And you will see me putting the white a little bit over the glitter. I want to kind of give that ombre look. So this won't be the only milky white that I'm using. This is just to kind of give a base to the milky nails so that I have really nice coverage. And once I do have the builder applied, then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So the nail is done curing. I wiped it with some isopropyl alcohol. Now I'm just going to finish file it just to give a really nice shape to this nail. So I did buff the nail as well, and I didn't show it. So wiping the white nails with some isopropyl alcohol, because now I want to add the color Purity. It's a milky sheer white from Madame Glam as well, and it's a little bit brighter white, and I felt that this white would just finish the look just to where I wanted it to be. So I cured Purity for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to top coat with Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Coat. So the nail is complete. I love how these turned out. These nails are so stunning. I'm very happy with the way the milky glittery ombre looks. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Thanks to Madame Glam for sending me Windy Layover collection. If you want to see this beautiful collection and check it out, you can click the link down in the description. I'll have it there, as well as my 30% off code, but make sure you click the link in order to use my code. I do not make any money off the purchases of Madame Glam products. I just really love them. They have so many beautiful products. Go check it out. And they also do have a VIP program. If you want to get 50% off, you can join their VIP program to do that. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in the next one.